Okay, so last winter we started with our rain garden, and right now you just see how we open up the space for the rain garden and how we did it. And in a few seconds you actually see the rain garden, how it actually looked during winter, where we didn't have any plants and flowers planted. But yesterday we finally could plant the flowers and some trees, so it's almost ready. I also show you in this video a new garden hose which I've actually bought, and the new hose, it's like a textile or fabric one, which is way better. And I also bought a new spray nozzle, so to keep the the rain garden maintained. And I also found a little Tootsie toy car while we were digging, and I'll show you that at the end of the video as well. So that's just a little journey how we actually made our little rain garden, and now hopefully we have a lot of fun with that rain garden. Righty, so that's a day later, and the rain garden, we have all the plants in, and here we have the grass seeds now. And you see there and there where we have the two barrels, that's where the water comes down from the underground. It actually pops out here, and well, now it's all to watering, and then we should see how it looks. I think it looks pretty nice now. So it's all mulched there, and then that's all gonna be grass. And yeah, that's the rain garden we have. We have one little tree, a little bush here, and then these plants right in the middle, they are plants which are used to stand in the water for a certain amount of time. The plants we have here are not, so I just do the surrounding here, and was just planted today. So let's just see how it looks. Maybe make a follow-up video in a week or so, and then we should be happy. And by the way, I have that old and terrible garden hose with that terrible nozzle, and we're gonna replace it, and I'll show you with what. Okay, so we just planted our rain garden, and I have this terrible hose, which is a rubber hose, just really not good, and also like this terrible nozzle. And now I want to try out something different. It's a Zero-G hose, and I actually wanted a hose which is made out of fabric and no longer rubber. And now I'll see how that goes. And I also bought a spray nozzle, a new one. But first of all, we want to unpack the hose. And that's actually exactly what I was hoping for. So you see it's all fabric. Let's just let it blah 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 blah. Let's just connect it real quick. So as you can see, it's pretty flat and like fabric. And let's just get the old one off real quick. The rubber one, which is actually not flexible at all. It's pretty terrible. Yeah, let's just connect this one. Yeah, even the connector looks better. Let's connect that baby on one end, and then once connected, we attach the new nozzle, which would go on this end, and then we test it out. So we connected a new nozzle. Let's get some pressure on it. You see it fills like. Maybe made a mistake here because it's, well, let's just get it out there. You know, I have to say it's pretty good to handle. The only thing I did wrong, I didn't pay attention and untangle it. So that's my problem. Let's just fix that. Now let's just roll it up, and you see that's a piece of cake now, rolling it up. Other than a rubber one, this one is just so super easy to roll it up. And yeah, it just lays flat there. That's exactly what I was hoping for. The only thing I might want to do now, every winter, I'll just put it in the shed. But yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's check out the functions of the nozzle. Now it's set on mist. You see that it's really pretty cool. And then we go on what's called full. Looks like this. Then we go on to flat. And then we go on an angle. Then we go to shower. Oh, that's good. And then we go to cone. Oops, sprayed me. And then it's called center. Oh, that's for long distance. And then jet. All right, there you have it. And it all changes when you turn. You see it's changing. Kind of, it's hard to film. Give me a second. So it changes here. All right, that's the nozzle. So I actually prefer center. And it looks like this. Because with center you can actually go a little bit into the distance, but you still do not have like a big jet coming out of the nozzle. And in combination with my new hose, I am actually pretty happy about that.